Hello, everyone, and thank you for either reading my article or maybe you will be reading my article, Training for a Race is a Project. So this article is kind of fun to write because it brought me back to 2010, 2011 when I ran in my first race. It was a 5K. I'd never done it before. I was really nervous, but a friend had talked me into it and said, "Hey, you said you wanted to do this. You should try it." And I didn't even know where to start. So I thought, well, I'm a project manager. Why not plan it? So in talking to my friend, we picked a race we wanted to run in that was, still plenty far in the future. And thankfully, Google had all types of plans that I could use. So downloaded a plan, customized it, made it my own, and then trained for the race. Before you know it, that race was done. I signed up for the next one and the next one and the next one, and now I'm doing quite a bit more, especially in the ultra distance cycling events. So each of these endeavors is unique, just like your projects are. You have to select. You can't ride or run in all the races, so you have to be very strategic about which ones you're going to sign up for. Whether it's near term in the future or maybe longer term, depending on the distance. And then you have to put a plan together. And once you have that plan, hey, there's plenty of them out there that you can follow, but life is life, so customize it based on, how your life goes. Maybe you can't train during the week because of work and family commitments, but more time on the weekends or vice versa. So really make that training plan your own. Mitigate those risks. I'm of the age where if I get injured, I don't bounce back quite as quick, so I have to mitigate risks. As soon as something happens, I make sure that I'm on it. And then it's all about just execution and the repetition behind it. So getting out there, doing your training, and doing your training effectively enough so on race day you can successfully cross that finish line. And then once you do cross the finish line, hey, just like in a project, do a little retrospective. What went well, what didn't go well, and what do you plan to change the next time? What I found with races is if you can complete a race and you feel good about it, sign up for that next one. You can see that you're making progress and you're doing something great. So remember, next time you sign up for a race, make sure you think of it as a project.